Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to execute some commands and display messages during Bash shell login in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So first what I am going to do is I am going to File Explorer. So in File Explorer you can see home directory is there. So make sure that show hidden file is enabled so that you can view all the hidden files. So under that you can see dot bash underscore profile. Open that bash underscore profile in text editor. So this bash underscore profile will be executed when you uh, log into the bash shell. So whenever I log into the bash shell, this bash underscore profile will be called. So what I'm doing, I am typing some welcome message and also I am typing one command to display the disk usage of the home directory. Okay. So save the bash underscore profile. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch over to text mode. Text mode means I'm going to switch over to completely terminal mode. Now I'm logging in as a current user. Yes, see that whatever message I typed in bash underscore profile is displayed here, which means that this bash underscore profile will be called whenever you log into the bash shell. Okay. So okay, now once again I try some other command. Let me go to bash underscore profile once again. Now I am typing another welcome message displaying the memory usage, that is RAM usage. That's it. Save. Okay, now log out the bash login. Once again I am logging. Yes, I can able to see the newly typed messages got executed, showing the RAM memory. So this is the way you can execute some commands and display message during the bash shell login in Oracle Linux 8 operating system.